G'day again, and a couple of suggestions from the group, and I've tried those tonight. First of all, I did take the relay board off the back of the radio and take the tops off all the relays, give them a clean over with contact cleaner and thin strips of paper, so exercise the paper, soaked paper through the relays, and still no difference or change to the receive. The other thing Gary suggested he wanted to see was what happens if I put my signal generator on 8.83, was the radio picking anything up? So here we are, 8.83, and the signal generator is on and functioning, and I'm not getting any signal through it, but just I'll move around a little bit, and there, not a very fine-tuned signal generator. There it is. So there's a signal coming through here, but my frequency counter tells me I'm on 9.354. So I trust the frequency counter over the radio display, and I'll just turn the signal generator off, and that signal disappears. So it's picking up some of the output from the signal generator, but frequencies are not even close. I did also have a listen a couple of megahertz down, and I was able to get some broadcast. So this is in AM. That's a very clean signal. But I tuned through the control frequency VFO, and the frequency doesn't seem to be changing. I'm still receiving the same station. But then I click over to 7 meg, station's gone. Click back in, there it is. So there's tonight's investigations for you all to see.